have this set up? I remember. Market's about to open in 9 minutes. Oh, where did I go? Oh man. Like I said yesterday, price came in and topped the new week opening gap. So it did that. So we inverted this 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm still bearish today as well. On the 1 hour, we have the liquidity that I left previously. We have the liquidity that I had left. Here. We might come up here and touch these highs. Might touch these highs as well. Maybe even all the way up here just because of the 4 hour fair value gap, but who knows. London highs are up here. And then Asia highs are all the way up there. I honestly might be a little bit bullish just because of all the liquidity up here. Yeah, all the liquidity up here. We can come down, take the same idea as yesterday. Hopefully we get an SMT, and then from there we can just continue higher. To be honest, since this is already filled, we might be looking to go higher, to be honest. Or I don't know, it kind of depends today on the day. It's either that or we come up straight and take all the liquidity, or just take London highs and then from there dump. We'll just kind of see how market will open. Let's look at ES. Okay, ES looks like it's lower. Looks like it filled it completely, so I don't think ES will continue any lower today. We might be going straight up from here. London highs up here, and then Asia highs. So yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be kind of the same on both. So we'll just see and wait. I'm not even connected to my trader feed. Oh no, I am. Go. I got a reset on one of the combines for free, so I'm gonna trade that instead. I'll probably be trading minis on that one, or I don't know how that's gonna go. Probably gonna trade. To risk heavy. I might do a mini, who knows. Does it still need to be stretched or something?
Yeah, I don't know how to say it because I need it.
Mm-hmm. muscle tear in the biceps of his left leg, of his left thigh.
Iowa?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's like my power.
Open the window.
What? Oh my god, it's freezing. Noodle!
Yeah, fucker.
She's in. Go get her. You want me to open the window? Sochi! Both of them are cooked now.
Yeah, hi.
Well, I can't. If I open the window, I'm gonna get hit by it. Market opens in 2 minutes.
Huh?
I said a market opens in 2 minutes. I didn't even check if we have news. Powell speaking at 12. Shouldn't really affect them more. Actually, it might be kind of slow today.
Come here.
All right, it looks like we want to go and take out those lows. And then from there, if it gives us a reason to long, we will long. I wasn't expecting much volatility today, just because Powell was speaking later today. And usually when that happens, all the volatile markets wait until he speaks. So, yeah. Looks like we might be getting an SMT down here. I don't care about these lows. Looks like, yep. There is that SMT. Alright, we just dropped it. How much did we drop on this? Alright, we dropped 155 points up open. Hopefully we don't get a hopefully we keep that SMT so that we can long. The exact same thing is happening as yesterday. Except it will probably work today if it wants to deliver. Alright, looks like we do want to move higher. Same shit as yesterday is happening. Where we got SMT at the lows, and then from there, we just went straight for longs, to be honest. I will be waiting for a good retrace and confirmation. Just because... that's 200 points. I'm not going to make the same mistake. I'll go with those highs.
Supposed to keep paying attention to your phone.
Well, I was gonna show you something regarding phone. I don't like it. All right, there's no more SMT at those lows. So that SMT isn't valid anymore. We'll just kind of see what market wants to do. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, and the 5 minute is just literally ripping down. We might or might not get longs today, but I'm not looking to trade, to be honest, today. Look. We should do that. Where are they still in there? You picked them out? Oh. All right, we are tanking more and more and more and more and more, which is fine. Yosho, oi, 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 yosho, oi, oi, oi. I think I was gonna trade today. I thought it was gonna just keep going lower and lower, but I found a good trade and I went in, and then from there, yeah, our stops are here at this point right now. So we're gonna, if we do get stopped and this gets reversed, it's gonna hit us in profit. If not, then it's not going to. Reason I went in 5 minute. I thought we were gonna get SMTs like yesterday, which we did in the initial minutes, but then from there, ES took those lows. From there, we inverse both of these fair value gaps. So then I was like, okay, that's confirmation that we're gonna continue higher. And ES, we inverse this fair value gap in the first candle, and then this other one and the other one. So then we came down, and then on M&Q, I saw that we. On M&Q, I saw that we tapped into that fair value gap. So then from there, I was like, okay, perfect, it's good. And then I was just waiting for the inverse of these gaps. So I got in somewhere around these 2 points because I'm trading on 4 different accounts. So I'm trying to go in every single one. So it's going to be a little bit of slippage. On my funded account, I was a little bit filled a little bit late, but that's all right. As you can see, I was filled like all the way up here, and then on my other ones I was filled like down here. It's not really much of a difference, but still, it's still pretty good. I thought I was gonna get cooked in the beginning, just because price like rejected really fast from that level, but it held. It was just a little retrace into equilibrium, and then also it tapped again into that fair value gap that we had in there. So then I was like, okay, I'll just, if I lose this, I lose this. The trade was there. But yeah, we tapped into equilibrium here perfectly, and then we wicked off from there. Um, Something that I could have done different is waited a little bit more, but the momentum was just there. I just had to take it. There was no like FOMO or anything. It was just like price told me that I wanted to go there. But it retraced into equilibrium, and then from there we wicked off, and then got strong moves to the upside. So that could have been another entry right there, and then from there, yeah, just target these highs. I was gonna target these highs up here. It's not really that much of a difference. It's only like a 18-point move, but to be what's it called? To be risk free. Um, Not risk free. What's it called? To secure profits today, I would like that high up there, because yesterday the same thing happened where the I was going for London highs, and then London highs did not get taken. It just went straight down because yeah, volume was dying down. Volume is kind of dying down right now, but we have our stops down here to secure us in profit. As you can see, big strong moves to the downside for some reason as soon as I fucking turn the camera on. But yeah, we're gonna be stops here, so hopefully that's a protected low. If not, I will be stopped out on both trades and I will be at break even. It's looking like it wants to respect this fair value gap, so it shouldn't inverse any gaps, because that's how we should know that it wants to continue higher. Same thing happened here on ES. We tapped into these gaps here. What I could have done is closed as soon as we took those highs on ES, because we do have that SMT. We do have that SMT up here, but that's all right. Looks like prices is dying down a little bit, but like I said, if it stops us out, it stops us out. I don't want to take profits here, and then from there it just rips up to the rips higher, you know. So yeah, if I do hit this trade, it's gonna be half of the account pass on both of the accounts, so that will be good. And then trade of 8, let me see, trade of 8. Trade of 8, we're up around $800, so that is good. Here we're up 900, and then on my eval we're up, on my funded we're up 500. Yeah, that money doesn't really count until it's secured, so we're gonna just stay patient. All right, we're making more SMTs at these highs up here. I don't like that, but I like the momentum we're getting right now. So yeah, I'm going to trail my stop even more up to here in case it decides to reverse. I don't think it will reverse, to be honest, but in case it decides to reverse. I think that is good stops. Yeah, if anything, I'll just close these trades manually because we are getting those big ass SMTs. So I do not like getting those SMTs. I think I forgot to say, but I went break even when we inverse this for value gap just because to keep it risk free because I didn't size heavy, but I sized more than I wanted to on accident because of the fucking big ass candles. Like 50-point stop loss is crazy. But yeah, it looks like we might hit TP. We're only 15 points away from it, unless hopefully it doesn't. But if it does, then oh well. Price is definitely bullish. We inverse 5-minute, 15-minute, and then yeah, we got a little retrace on the 5-minute. And yeah, overall it is gonna be bearish, but for today we will be bullish. Chat. Did you cook? That was nice. I'm not getting the little things at the end.
Oh, you are.
Okay.
I just can't do it until it stretches. Because I can't do it until it holds its shape so I can take the pins out and I can do the ends.
Yeah.
But I like that one better.
Which one?
The Barcelona.
Well, obviously.
I did the jersey thing.
What jersey thing? Okay, I'm moving my stops closer. Just in case we get stopped out. Like I said, I don't think we will, but if we do, then oh well. Or I could just close now. I'm waiting. I'll wait. Cause he has this. Yeah, we're getting big SSMTs, but NQ is trying to catch up a little bit. NQ is trying to catch up. Hopefully we can hit those highs. If not, then we'll be stopped out. There's our new stop loss. That's still gonna be a good TP if we do hit that stop loss. If not, then oh well. Okay, we got filled. We got filled on all of them. TP hit. Settings, execution marks. All right, that's it for today. Combines are almost past. Halfway past with this one. Let me see the other one. Trade of fate. And then trade of wave, we're only up 11. So yeah, I could have stayed at this high as well, but it's fine. We secure profit, so that's what matters. All right, see you guys tomorrow. If I do trade, will I trade tomorrow? Yes, I will be trading tomorrow. All right, see you guys.